ish to. Ang masasabi ko lang ngayon sa'yo ay hindi mo alam kung gaano kita miss na miss ngayon. And wala na akong kaibigan dito na nakakausap. At sana bumalik ka na dito. But I'm very happy pa rin kahit nandyan ka.
Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday.
I'm very happy pa rin na nandyan ka and you're finally achieving your dream. Sana maging safe ka and maging healthy ka at sana maisip mo naman ako, be. I hope na maisip mo ako, te, no? Kasi sabi mo babalik ka after 2 years. Ano na? Okay lang. I love you. I miss you so much. Happy 18th birthday. I love you. Balik ka na dito.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to our... Ano ba? Happy birthday to our Aussie girl, Bam! So, ayun, may notes ako. So, ayun, I never thought we would be celebrating it apart. But, it's okay as long as you're enjoying there. So, you're now 18 and wala akong masabi kundi, I'm so proud of you. I know it's not that easy living there. I know there are times na gusto mo na lang umuwi pero you're not giving up and I know you won't. I'm glad you're surviving and living your best life with Ate Ai. And I know we are not that talking that much pero miss na miss ko na yung rants mo. But anyway, I just want you to know that I'm always here for you. Alam mo yan. Kaya sa mga umaaway at aaway dyan kay Bam, pasalamat kayo, wala kami dyan. So, ayun, I guess, virtual tagay muna tayo. Ano yun yung gano'n? Yun yung gano'n. So, cheers. Uy, ano to? Gin bilog yan. So you deserve everything that this life has to offer. So, live your best life and experience everything because that's how you are. And how I wish I could hug you and tell you and tell how much I cherish you and how grateful I am for you for not forgetting me. So ayun, happy 18th birthday. Love you forever. You are always be my bubbly girl who loves blue. Mag-iingat kayo ni Ate Ai palagi. Ma.
Ako na.
Oh, ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Bam. Dati tinatawag mo na ako ate, ngayon Ashley na lang talaga.
Pero ikaw masunod na.
Oo. Tsaka sabihin mo kay Ninang ang dami ng utang. Nasingil. Tapos, anyways, happy legal age, ganda. You're already 18 na, so don't rush into making decision in life. Wala ka pa namang hiya. And I hope you achieve everything you've ever wanted and live the best life you've always dreamed of. I love you so much, Bambina. Yun lang kasi
Uy,
mahal na
cheers.
mahal kita. Tapos may cheers ako.
Oh,
Yun.
ayan din yun. Ay,
Gin bilog.
promise, gin bilog
Kalamansi.
yan. Namumula na siya. Wala pang ilan.
Love you, Bam.
Love you.
Miss na miss na kita. Uwi ka na.
Miss na miss ka na namin. Ay, hindi kami
Magkaraoke
lasing.
na tayo.
Yes, hindi pa kami lasing.
Kasi isang baso lang yun yung iniira sa nanay niyang.
Uy, dapat tayo yung nagse-celebrate ngayon.
Tsaka,
Dapat
te.
nasa bar tayo.
Miss
Ang
ko na
dami
yung-
namin, Chico.
Miss ko na yung price mong may pepper. Meron yun din. Ang sarap na try ko.
Sige no. Goodbye. Happy
Bye-bye.
birthday.
Love you so much, Bam. Sana next year dito ka na mag-birthday.
Same. I-celebrate natin yan. Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3.
Happy 18th birthday, Van. Baka magtaka ka kasi tumitingin ako here sa side kasi andito yung laptop ko and naka-ready yung message ko for you. So, ayun, I'll start now from greeting you a happy 18th birthday, Van. I hope you enjoy your daily celebration there. Thank you for still counting me in your 18 shots, but unfortunately, I can't drink some alcohols because I just got discharged from the hospital last Friday, but I was still making a video for you that you will not make tampo to me. So now I start from saying thank you for you for being you and being mine. Thank you for staying on my side when I feel so lonely, especially the year that we met each other last 2021 or 2022, I guess. And you've seen a different type of Diana. I don't even see myself happy last pandemic, but you came in my life and became friends, and until now we're still together with each other. I remember your last birthday here in the Philippines. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako nung time na yun, and sabi mo sa akin gusto mo ng cheese stick, and dinalan kita ng cheese stick nung birthday mo, and di ko sure kung nakain mo pa yun kasi syempre nag-enjoy ka pa rin ng time na yun. Then, I want to say thank you for your mommy, Tita Ai. Miss na po kita. Thank you po for trusting me as Vam's friend. I really appreciate you po, and you literally stood up as me another mom po. And remember the day po na umalis po yung family niyo and sinama niyo po ako, and pumunta po tayo sa MOA, and that's the first time po na nakapunta ako sa MOA, and never ko po siya makakalimutan. First time ko po kasi makasakay sa rides na like the drop tower, the Ferris wheel, and other rides because I'm so afraid from heights po. That's why I never try to ride on those rides that we ride there. I don't want you to feel bad kasi syempre kapag di ako sumakay ng dun sa rides na gusto mo, baka ma-feel bad ka kasi ganun nga. Pero nung after natin mag-ride, sobrang nag-enjoy tayo parehas. Like tayo nila ate, nila Alexia. And ayun, sobrang happy ako na na-try ko yung mga rides na yun with you. And thank you for your family from trusting me, lalo na kapag lumalabas tayo or like bigla ang gala natin. Vam, you are not a minor anymore, and you need to face some challenges again in your life. But I know na you are brave and stronger. I know that you can fight on it. Just be with God and trust yourself, my bambina. I love you and enjoy your day, my love. I hope na makauwi ka na here and let's gala na. I love you. Happy birthday again. Love, I'm gonna drink the milk tea instead of the alcohol. I'm so sorry, baby. Wait lang, babalik ako, promise. Kukunin ko lang yung milk tea. I'm gonna sip on the milk tea kasi nakalagay siya sa ganito. So, koko pa yan. Yes. Happy birthday, Van. Thank you for loving me, and I miss you so much. Love you. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday, girl, and congrats for being 18, and you're a woman now. But anyways, I just wanted to say that being an 18 doesn't mean na papaka-grown up na tayo. I mean, we can do that, but girl, bata pa tayo and we still have a long way to go. Okay? And always take care of yourself there. And P.S. Girl, kailan ka uuwi? Because, babad na ako. But, seriously, you really need to go home. Kasi, yung sleepover natin nila Marchen, ano na, girl? But anyways, ayun nga. Tayo umuwi ka na. Because, I really miss you so much. Kailangan natin mag-banding. Kailangan natin mag-catch up. Kasama si Marchen. Okay? Okay.
Harry Poo!
Well, happy birthday, girl, and cheers to 18. Ano? Happy birthday!
Kung tayo talaga dadanang bansa.
Gusto ko lang batiin ng kaibigan ko na si Chua. Ay, balikan na ng Pinas. Maligayang araw ko sa'yo, ah. Oo, late na ako. Hindi. Basta belated or ano, else maligayang balik. Peace out.
So yeah. So where were we? Yun nga, happy birthday to you, Venice Val. So let's just say Val. Kasi tayo ko sila lagi, alright. Happy birthday to you, and sorry, quick disclaimer, I don't really drink anymore. And I promise that since last year pa, I've been sober. Yeah, let's change the angle. So yeah. Okay, take ko na to. Take 46. I'm not really good at this, so yeah. Happy birthday, Chua. It's been a while since we last talked to each other. And the same with Tita. I hope you guys are doing well. There's a lot of things we need to catch up to. And yeah. It's an honor to be one of the friends you've chosen for this challenge, though I don't really drink anymore. But yeah, I really appreciate it for being chosen for this. So yeah, I remember the days since we last, since I've last known you. It was in grade 7, junior high school days, and back in the days, we weren't really that close until post-quarantine. Yeah. And during those days, nung tag dito, there were times na lagi tayong nag-celebrate with each of our friends' birthdays, ganon. Kahit hindi na the same birthday, as long as we celebrate them. And those are one of the things that I will always remember for. Being tag dito, grateful for, actually. For being grateful for. That's the word I was referring to. Chua. She is a very trustful friend. Down to earth, actually. Very humble. Sometimes. And yeah. She's a true friend if you want to have it straight. She is very honest with things. When you got something in trouble, she'll tell you what you need to do and etc. And yeah, she's one of those friends that is always loose. A crackhead. Nah, I get that out. But yeah, yun nga, siya yung lagi mong kasama sa mga kalokohan, ganon, bani-bani mga tropa, ganon. I hope you find the right people in life and so on. I think the people right now who's watching this already know who's Chua is as a person. I think you will agree with her being honest, her being a loyal friend, and her being a very energetic, 100% maniac when it comes to activities and etc. Throughout the whole years, I have missed you guys. I wish you guys come back here in the Philippines. Not permanently, you guys choose, but yeah, hope you guys come back here even as a vacation or something, to have something to catch up on and talk to each other again and etc. And yeah, okay, to finish things off, yeah, let's drink. It's definitely not water, okay? That's hard water. I mean hard liquor. And yeah, to finish things off, you guys have to watch out for Chua taking ugly pictures of you guys. She tends to do that. And thank you for being a friend of mine. Thank you.
Happy birthday song. Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo, Venice Angela Mel Chua. 18 ka na pala. So, sana ay lumaki kang mabait at may puso sa kapwa. Mabait sa iyong magulang at may takot sa Diyos. Huwag kang gagawa ng kasalanan dun sa Australia. Okay. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay bakit di ka pa umuwi? Dito ka.
Happy birthday! Ayusin ko lang. Paano ko ba isusulat ang letter ko, ma? First of all, I miss you so much. Real, actually may kasalanan ako sa'yo. Hindi ko mahanap, pero sa bahay lang. Hindi ko mahanap yung ring na binili natin. Oh my God, I'm so... Anyways, ang message ko lang for you ay, susulat ko, ma. I am happy for you dahil nakakahanap ka ng mga good people dyan sa Australia. Australia! Hindi, ganun. Kasi syempre, new world, and I'm happy that you are happy. And iwan mo na yung mga, wait lang, ayun, like, iwan mo na yung mga heartbreaks mo dito. I'm really, really happy for you dyan. And hindi mo lang alam, lagi ka namin nag-uusapan dito, Kevin, lalo na. Miss na namin, lalo na sa bahay niyo. Ayun, and I'm sorry for like, no contact, kasi, girl, iba na ang buhay dito man, grabe na ang college. Wala, nakikita ko na you're changing, not only physically, pero your accent, I love it. Yun lang. And, ano pa ba? Sulat ko. Sana lagi kang healthy and also your family. And also your loved ones. Maging healthy din kayo. And also, sana, as years go by, although alam ko lang change ka due to, basta, pagkakaiba ng mga ginagawa natin sa buhay. Stay Bam. Yung kilala namin Bam ng tagal na. Ganun. And, yun, nakakasad lang. Hindi kami makakapunta. Siyempre, unless, and then joke. Ayun, nakakasad lang. Hindi kami makakapunta sa birthday mo. Kasi, dito dati, na kilala kita as like, kapag may occasion, grabe ka magpaganap. Ganun. Like, bongga ang atake mo sa mga events. And yun, and for now, hindi namin ma-experience, but it's okay. I know you're happy there. And we are happy for you also. I miss you man so much. Like, really, really. Kapag siguro nandito ka ibang-iba ang, ano, like, wala, may bago. Alam mo bago, may iba. Ganun. May impact. Impact. Ito pala na sulat ko. Joke. Ayun. I miss you so much and happy birthday. I love you, man. I miss you so much. Sana maging healthy kayo dyan and more ganaps and more happiness to come. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bam. Happy birthday, Ate Bam. I hope you receive more blessings.
Happy birthday, Bambina. Even if you're miles away from us, I hope you feel love all the way from here. And wishing you happiness, good health, and success always. And don't forget, I always be the prettier one. Charot! So yun nga, I miss you so much, girl. Kailan tayo magkikita? Miss na kita kabanding. Uy, charot.
Hi, Bam! Happiest birthday! I'm very proud of you. You are very talented and very smart, beautiful inside and out, and very sexy, just like me, your auntie. Continue to do great in life. We're always here to support you, and we are rooting for you. We wish you all the best, and God bless.
Hello, Mom! Happy 18th birthday. I wish you good health, more success in your chosen field. I hope you study well and finish your whatever course you want. You've done a lot, and in your 18th birthday, I hope you mature and trust God always and pray that you will reach the goal you want to reach, the star you want to reach the star.
We miss you, Bam!
We miss you.
Happy
Take
birthday!
care always, and God bless.
3.
Happiest birthday, Pam! Love you!
Take care always!
I love you, Ate Bam. Happy birthday, Ate Bam. I love you. I miss you. See you soon.